great time for us to bring in our analyst standing by. National trial attorney Michael Jaafar is with us, watching along. Michael, you've seen this trial from the very beginning. That was last year. Now we're getting ready for this retrial. And I do want to get your analysis of Dr. Russell, but I also want to go back to that big news we heard about 30 minutes ago about Chloe the dog and the molds that exist of her mouth. But yet this expert said that she doesn't really need them. She was not nearly as interested in them as I am of wanting to know more about Chloe.
Yeah, of course she's not interested in them because she's not an expert, right? She's not an expert in this. If her theory is because I was the emergency room doctor and I saw dog bites, which I agree that people who are bitten by a dog go to the hospital, then why not bring on nurses in the emergency room? They have more relevant experience by her theory than the doctor does because they're the ones who dress the wounds, right? There are experts who can testify to this. You can bring on a canine behaviorist. You can bring on bite pattern experts. You don't need this doctor. This doctor walked into the lawyer's office at the 11th hour, and she basically told him, "I can help you out." She never examined John O'Keefe. She didn't examine the bite patterns. She's not an expert. And now that we know that there is molds of the jaw, which, by the way, shocked me because the people who have the conspiracy theory hoax said, well, they gave up the dog after the trial to cover up for themselves, but now here we go. There's a mold of Chloe's jaw, which in my opinion solves everything. But they've already tested John O'Keefe's arm.